So many products are so focused on protein, but what about fiber? We need fiber too. Helps with the digestion, and I know it's taboo to say, but it helps with constipation problems. And that's where Pacific Soul comes in. They have all of these freeze-fried fruit flavors and just one ingredient in each pack. The fruit. We need our daily fruit intake. Pretend I have the nails that are doing the click, 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 click. But you'll hear the crunch. Pacific Soul has all kinds of flavors. Check out the link in my bio to see how to order yours.